YouTube, me and you, bro. We're gonna go on YouTube, me and my baby. We're gonna go on live later. Me and my son, we're gonna go on a live later, and then we're gonna do liquor, play games and stuff. And say hello for the people. Say hello.
Hello, people.
Hello, people. Me and my son, we love ya. Yes, so please like, comment, and subscribe. Me and my son, we're gonna have a good day today. Yes, the guy is laughing. He's having a liquor time by his daddy. And he loves his daddy. Tell them how much you love your daddy. Tell them. Tell them.
Son.
Yes, tell them how much you love your son. Tell them. Tell them. And you must say. You must talk. Talk. Say, I lovely son. Say for him.
I love you, son.
Yes, and I love Yusuf. And we're gonna go later live. Then me and my son is gonna go on live on TikTok and on YouTube. No? I really love you very much. You sexy sticker. Yo. I got a very, very beautiful son. His name is Yusuf. And my other son's name is Ahad. And my elder son's name is Uthman Kaban. Blah, 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 blah. See you guys later on the live, hey?